Today we are making caramel kheer. The caramel taste is very good in the kheer. Before we start this recipe, please subscribe to our channel Cooking and Style. Now let's start the recipe. We have soaked 100 grams of rice for 20 to 30 minutes to add into 2 liters of milk. After this, make sure to stir the rice properly. Also make sure to cook it on low heat so that it does not burn. Make sure to continuously stir it so that it does not burn. Now add the seeds of 2 cardamoms and cook it for 40 minutes. Make sure to stir it continuously. This is a very delicious kheer recipe and is easy to make. This kheer is different from other kheers because of its caramel taste. It tastes very delicious and is very unique. The kheer is nearly prepared. Now we will make the caramel for the kheer. Cook it until the rice is soft and is fully mixed. Add half a cup of sugar into the pan. Add a little bit of water. Mix it together well and then make sure to cook it properly for 10 minutes. Cook it until it has turned into caramel. Caramel makes the kheer very tasty. The caramel is almost ready. Once the caramel's consistency is thick, add it into the kheer. Make sure to mix it very properly. After mixing it well, add 6 more tablespoons of sugar. And then cook it properly for 8 minutes. After cooking it for 8 minutes, add half a cup of heavy cream. Then make sure to cook it for 7 minutes only. Alhamdulillah, the delicious caramel kheer is now done. This is a very unique and delicious recipe. If you have not already subscribed to our channel Cooking and Style, please subscribe. Press the bell icon to be notified of when we upload new videos. Like this video and share this video with your friends and family. Don't forget to leave your opinions on this recipe in the comment section down below. Watch our other recipes. You'll also love them. Make sure to follow us on Facebook and Instagram. You can also find the ingredients to our recipes in our description box down below. Allah Hafiz, thank you for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed this recipe.